Welcome to Voice Bootcamp, a global name in unified communication. In this lab I'm going to show you how to configure an H.223 dial pair to send calls to a remote gateway with a proper H.225 timing. Now the scenario is, for example, you could have two remote gateway which act as call manager, for example, pub and subscriber. Now if someone dials 300 any number 3 dot dot dot, you want the calls to go to subscriber first, but if the send calls to sub, but if subs is not available, backup will be the pub. So in order to achieve that, you have to reduce the timer so that it does not wait too long for to find out if the subscriber is down or not. And that can be done by reducing the H.225 timer. So what we're going to do is first create a voice class called H.323. 1 is just a tag number, and we're going to say that H.225 timeout is going to be, let's say, timeout setup, and we want this to be maybe, I don't know, less than 8 seconds. If the subscriber does not respond within 8 seconds, it will try to look for a different dial pair. Now to attach this to the dial pairs, we're going to have two dial pair. We'll call this 30 VoIP destination pattern 3 dot 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 session target IPv4. This is the publisher, and we're going to make this a secondary choice, so we're going to say preference 10, and we're going to attach that voice class that we just created into this dial pair. So we're going to say voice dash class H.323 and then tag number. The second dial pair I'm going to create is 31 VoIP. Destination pattern is going to be the same. Session target will be different IP address, and voice class will be the same. Now I don't need to define preference here because by default the dial pair has a preference of 0. Now you may want to do no hunt stop so that it can roll over to the next dial pair. Now to show you an example what I've done, so this is my voice class right there. This is sometimes required to reduce the H.225 timeout. By default it could be 10 to 15 seconds. And the two dial pair that I have created is right here. Now you notice how the no hunt stop is not there, which is by default. So if you want to put a hunt stop, you can go in and say hunt stop. You will see the configuration there. So the two IP addresses configured with the different IP. The destination pattern is the same. So the call will first go to 31. If it does not get response within this timer, which is 8 seconds, then it will fall back to the 30. So sometimes in a high volume environment you may need to fine-tune this network.